If you don't have Add Me feature on the Google Pixel 9, then let me quickly show you how you can fix this. You will have to just open the Google Play Store and input Pixel Camera phrase on the search, and then you will be able to update your camera to the latest version. So it will actually apply to your phone quickly after the downloading. Overall, this update size is really big, but after a few moments we have to, by the way, turn off this camera application and just simply wait until the download will be finished. And after this, I'm going to show you where you can actually find it. Okay, there's some Google Voice application. Okay, there's like first time I can see this. That's interesting. I will try it on the phone. But now let's go back into the camera, open it. Now as you can see, it's actually installing the camera updates, so we have to wait a few seconds. And we'll be able to actually use it and take a look right now. Right now we can find the Add Me feature, and now we have to go to the Play Store to get latest AR app. So we have to also do this one. So click on the update, and as you can see, now we can use it, so we can try it out. And yeah, that's for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.